You're currently spending hours writing and debugging code, only to realize that 70% of your time is spent on repetitive tasks. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to use Claude Code, the AI developer tool that codes for you, saving you up to 80% of your coding time. This game-changing technology is already being adopted by top developers, and we're going to break it down step by step. Claude Code is an AI-powered coding assistant that uses machine learning algorithms to generate code based on your input. It's designed to work seamlessly with popular development platforms like Python, Java, and JavaScript. To get started, head over to the Claude Code website and sign up for a free account. You'll need to create a project to begin, so let's walk through that process. First, click on the New Project button and enter a project name. For this example, let's call it Weather API. Then, select the programming language you want to use and the type of project you're working on. Claude Code supports a wide range of project